Hello there, it's Avinav Nirola. I'm back here with my new video. Guys, the ongoing 5-match test series between England and India is very much on after that massive win registered by England last week. That win must have been a morale booster as well for the English side. Hence, we now need to gear up for the 4th test match whose result might affect largely in the outcome of the series. Let's preview. Do like, share and comment down below. Subscribe to my channel as well. From 2nd to 6th of September 2021, the Oval London is going to host this encounter. The Oval is renowned to assist swing and seam bowlers a lot on its true pitches due to the pace-friendly environment that the venue possesses. Do expect the surface to be quite grassy and moist at the same time. Hence, the pacers are expected to extract a lot of lateral seam and swing movement with those ever-swinging Duke balls throughout the course of all 5 playing days. The spinners might not have that big a role to play on a track as such. On quicker tracks as such, the batsmen possessing that intent of scoring as quickly as possible do succeed as well. After witnessing that massive collapse in the first innings of the last test match, neither India nor England would want to expose their batters first up on a track similar to the last one. Plus, either team would want their pacers to have the first crack on such a track. To add up, rain has also been forecasted in the latter 2 days of the test match, so bowling first would be the ideal decision for the toss winners. England: Hasib Hamid, Rory Burns, David Malan, Joe Root captain, Jonny Bairstow wicket-keeper, Ollie Pope, Chris Woakes, Sam Curran, Craig Overton, Ollie Robinson and James Anderson. A couple of changes are expected to be drafted for this all-important test match as Josh is off with a paternity leave and Moeen is expected to make ways for an expected future superstar in Ollie Pope, who seems to have an identified role unlike Moeen. England, with very limited bowling resources in the last test match, just dismantled India's elite batting lineup big time, so people would definitely hope for another miraculous performance with the induction of some more bowlers into the squad. Hamid has already started to show how he has been belting runs in the county circuit this season. Plus, it looks like it's the best opportunity for Malan to reignite his lost batting form with the addition of the super steady Woakes. England look much more equipped to wrap this series up. Overton, courtesy and unexpected bowling performance from him in the last match, deserves to play this test as well. A lot of batting in this English side. India: Rohit Sharma, Lokesh Rahul, Cheteshwar Pujara, Virat Kohli captain, Ajinkya Rahane, Rishabh Pant wicket-keeper, Ravichandran Ashwin, Mohammad Shami, Ishant Sharma, Jasprit Bumrah and Mohammad Siraj. This side has been bagging this phrase hero to zero in the space of last 7 days. The heroics in the second test was so fresh until they suffered a massive collapse in the first day of the last test. But this side knows how to rise above it, and this side has the quality, confidence and will to win from any situation. Expect this side to turn up with much more determination as a unit in this clash. These kinds of situations are tailor-made for quality players. Players like Rahane, Rahul and Pant know how to overcome all the odds in such situation. Hence, do expect them to look more determined this time around. Will it be the end of Kohli's jinx of not scoring 100 since so long? If Pujara played with such intent in the last test, then we can easily figure out that the English tracks have value for runs and not blocks. Expecting this side to present a tough fight this time around. The Indian fans must be hoping for the duplicate copy of the test match which followed that infamous and humiliating 36 all-out against Australia, where the Indian batsmen displayed massive grit and quality to win the match. On the other hand, the English fans would be hoping for the conduction of a match similar to the last one. The tie seems even Stevens to me technically, but I personally am expecting the ever-growing Indian side to rise above it and win this clash. Take care.